The link is on my description, guys. Please. And if you want to private chat, I will drop my Snapchat, guys. If you want to a private message or what, something to do, I will do it. Can you please give me likes, guys? Fill your mouth with air, then breathe it. Why? Like this? Like that? Abby RZ? Yes. Oh, I will do it again. If you avail my membership, Abby RC. Can you please avail my membership? And you can see that in my video. So please avail, guys. You will enjoy it because I am 3 upload. I have 3 new upload video, guys. So please, please, please avail. Why? In my description, IVRC. Can go to my description, RC, IVRC. The description is on my yes, in my this live, guys. I link I pin the link of my Patreon. So please avail because I have 3 new video that I upload this month. And it's so nice. And if you want to get a private video, guys, you can add me my WhatsApp. Hi, Jester Galao. Oo nga, ngayon lang ako nakapag-live ulit. Because ang dami ko kasing ginagawa. Siyempre, ang daming maangkin ng cellphone. Hindi na talaga pag wala tayong sariling cellphone. Did you make puffy chick popping within Patreon? Yes, Abby RC. I'll make that in my Patreon. So please avail, guys, because it's so nice. I upload 3 videos, guys. 3 new videos that I upload this month, guys. I think I uploaded 1 video yesterday, and last is evening, and this morning. So please avail my membership. The link is on my description, guys. So that I will buy my new phone. Cha. Okay, I will do it again, okay? How can I get the link? No.